Hi everyone, welcome to Liars Academy. My name is Layo. I'm your IT Audit big sister. Today we're going to be talking about qualifications. What qualifications do you actually need to get into IT Audit? So we're going to be talking on qualifications today. What are the qualifications you need to become an IT auditor? Remember, in the previous video, I mentioned that you need to have a degree irrespective of whatever field, even though some degrees have competitive advantage over others. Your degree actually does not need to be tech related. Accounting, business, HR, statistics, finance, any degree at all can work. So you have to have a degree. That is the number one qualification to become an IT auditor. Any degree can actually work. Secondly, what qualification do you need? You need to have basic IT audit knowledge. Not everything, just the basics. What are ITGs? What are ITAGs? What is risk? What is control? What are walkthroughs? What am I testing? How do I test? These and many more are part of the things I teach inside my IT audits fundamentals manual. And then number three, what qualifications do you need to have? You have to have soft skills, like mentioned earlier in my previous video, communication, curiosity, ability to follow up. You must have a problem solving attitude. These skills, soft skills, it matters a lot more than you think. You don't ask too much questions as an IT auditor. One of the challenges I had in my first role when I was at the Big Four, the first team I worked with, I was not asking the right question. Like I was not asking questions. I just attend meetings and I kept quiet. And over the time, I discovered those we were talking were given more accolade. And that was when I switched. I knew yes, you have to talk, you have to be able to communicate, you have to be able to do follow ups, you have to be able to send that email, you have to be able to ask questions. The fourth qualifications, certifications, these are not compulsory, but it definitely is a nice to have. And the first one I would recommend for you is the CISA, Certified Information System Auditor. The body who owns that is called ISEC, and they have a lot of certifications that can actually help you in this journey. You have the CISA, you have the CERIC, you have ISO. These certifications are going to help you later, not at the beginning. For me, I think I got my CISA the very first year I started my IT audit job. And over the years, I got the series, I got the season. Once you start, you'll be encouraged to get more of this certification. Yes, don't break your head over it now. You really, really don't need it. If you have the opportunity, you have the money, you have the ability to read and study to get your CISA, definitely it is a nice to have. If you would want to build your foundation quickly in IT audit, like you can get my IT audit roadmap and my vocabulary guide. I think that's going to be a very good starting place for you. It's going to help you to understand the fundamentals of IT audits without overwhelming. Yeah, IT vocabulary is actually like a dictionary. You can see what you see what like control, risk, walkthroughs, ITGCs, ITAG. You would have a good understanding of it before you get into the IT audit fundamentals manual that is going to give you the deep dive into what IT audit actually is, the core teaching. So you can start studying with the vocabulary book, learning the words, and also you can use the IT audit roadmap. The IT audit roadmap is actually a step-by-step guide created that's going to tell you how to structure your learning week by week. And like I said, the vocabulary is your dictionary for IT audit. Actually sat down and created 100 vocabulary guides. It's going to explain the core terms, ITGCs, ITAGs, audit system, risk, control language. It's going to explain it to you in simple everyday English that you're going to understand. Don't worry, don't break your head. Like I said, you're hearing ITGCs, ITAGs, and I'm sure you are wondering, what are these? Am I going to understand it? I got you. You're going to have a very clear understanding once we go deeper, or once you go deeper reading my IT Audit Fundamentals Manual. I hope to see you in my next video. If you're enjoying me as I'm bringing you along on my journey, on this IT audit journey. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video. We are going deeper, deeper, deeper. My name is Layo. I am your IT audit big sister. See you in my next video.